Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to teach you how to download Python 3 into Windows 10. First of all, go to Google and type Python 3 download. This is the official website of Python. I'm going to go there. Go to downloads, all releases, and this is the latest version 3.8.4. Save file. It is downloading. It is going to take some time. I will fast forward it. So guys, the installer file has been downloaded. Now I'm going to run it. You have to add Python 3.82 path to avoid future problems and go to install now. Select yes, and it will be installed depending upon the speed of your computer. And we're going to select close. So let's check if we have it or not. There it is. So this is the software that we'll be using. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.